You cannot go every day to the mountain to get fresh water, but you can get the fresh water into your house. This is why bottled water is bloating your body. See, no absorption. And ionized water gets absorbed right away. Look how ionized water gets absorbed right away. Do you know why you are not losing weight? Because you are drinking the wrong water. This oil is the fat in your body. Normal water will make you store fat, while ionized water will help you lose weight. Wow! Look at the difference between the normal water and the ionized. Now I'm going to pour the regular water out of tomatoes, and there is no difference. Pouring the ionized water, all those chemicals got dissolved completely out of the tomatoes. Let's test it out. Let's first use bottled water. Now let's use ionized water. Ionized water was able to remove all the inflammation, all the rust from your body. Any kind of bottled water you're using, it's already oxidized. Exactly like the brown apple, it's oxidized after 2 days cut on the table. That's why you need a machine like that to make your water fresh again. Message me on WhatsApp and get a free sample.